In our continuing coverage now, the fate of Tonawanda Coke is now in the hands of a federal judge. And now the question is, will the company be forced to shut its doors? That's what federal prosecutors are seeking.
But according to recent court papers, Tonawanda Coke argues that the health risk allegations against them are unfounded. Luke Moretti has more tonight in a News 4 Investigates. Luke?
Federal prosecutors are asking that a judge order Tonawanda Coke to temporarily cease its coke-making operations until the company reduces emissions. According to court documents filed this week, prosecutors call Tonawanda Coke a rogue environmental actor that will not comply with the law. Prosecutors say the company failed to conduct routine maintenance, which resulted in numerous violations of air pollution laws since May. Earlier this week, U.S. District Court Judge William Scretny found Tonawanda Coke guilty of violating the terms of its probation outlined in a 2014 sentencing agreement. Prosecutors are also asking that the company get a court-appointed monitor because of its lengthy history of noncompliance with environmental regulations designed to protect public health. Tonawanda Coke has said that ceasing coke-making operations would result in a permanent shutdown because the plant's oven walls would begin to deteriorate rapidly. The company argues that rebuilding the ovens would cost upwards of $75 million, money the company claims it does not have. A toxicologist with the Federal Environmental Protection Agency states in court papers that the company's release of coke oven gas, which contains hazardous air pollutants such as benzene, created the potential for exposure in the community and subsequent adverse health effects. Tonawanda Coke has argued that it's working diligently to fix the problems at that plant and accused federal prosecutors of using hyperbole to stir community fear. In court papers filed Wednesday, an attorney for the company argues that there is no evidence that Tonawanda Coke failed to take immediate action to address the problems, and that the government has not proved that emissions at the plant are causing harm to the public. What's more, Tonawanda Coke's chief financial officer states that the temporary closure that federal prosecutors are seeking is the equivalent of a death sentence for the corporation. Now, Judge Scretny is expected to sentence Tonawanda Coke tomorrow. In court papers filed recently, the company said it would agree to a third-party consultant to ensure it stays in compliance. The company is also asking that the court not shut them down, extend the probation term, and fine them at the lower end of the scale. We'll keep you posted. Luke Moretti, News 4.